Hi, it's Zach, and I've got a really great summertime deal for you. It's on the Go Bag. This is a really great outdoor system that's great for fishing, camping, picnicking, going to the beach, or even sporting events. And what it is a few things. Inside this giant bag, you have a full-sized cabana, which you can set up very easily with just 2 tent poles, and it actually opens up on 3 sides and has a large window on the back, so you can get a lot of air circulation in there, or you can close it up if it's too windy. And the nice thing about it is that it gives you a really nice place to get refuge from the sun while you're outdoors. And the bag itself actually converts into a table where you can keep all of your essential items. Now the bag itself will come flattened, but it has a series of panels that you can set up to make it nice and rigid. And you can put the included cooler bag right inside, which is also quite spacious, and you can keep all of your lunch items, your drinks in there, as well as ice, so you can keep everything nice and cold. And then next to the cooler is a nice open compartment where you can keep everything else, whether it's tackle boxes, your play balls, whatever it is you have with you while you're outdoors. Now I know what you're thinking, how am I gonna get this big bag around with me when I'm outdoors? Well, it actually comes with 2 sets of wheels. The set of wheels that is standard are great for asphalt, sidewalks, any kind of smooth, hard surface, but you can actually throw on the included all-terrain wheels. They're super easy to set up, and they allow you to easily traverse grass, stones, sand, whatever kind of terrain you might be walking on. Now on both sides of the bag, you'll find additional storage areas, which makes it really easy to throw in everything that the Go Bag comes with, along with some other items that you want to bring with you. You have a large storage container on the front, as well as 2 smaller ones on the back, and underneath the smaller ones you have a really long compartment, which is great for the included tent poles. And it even gives you a cargo net. I love this thing. It's great for basketballs, sleeping bags, whatever it is you want to bring with you and lace to the top of the bag. Now, the other cool thing about this is that it comes with a transparent top pouch, which is great for your fishing license, your cell phone, anything you want to keep at reach while you're out and about. Now, the greatest thing about the Go Bag is keeping everything on hand. It eliminates you having to go back and forth from the car because you forgot your sweater or you forgot your drinks in the car, whatever it might be. You can pack everything in here, take it out of the car, and wheel it with you on the go. Now, this was a Kickstarter campaign, so the stock is limited. We did get the last of them, so you're gonna wanna act fast. Now, the one thing about it being a Kickstarter is that it doesn't come with any instructions. However, we did put together a complete FAQ video to answer any of your questions that you might have. It covers setting up the tent, setting up the tabletop, and a whole bunch of other information. We have a fantastic, super deep discount on this, so you're gonna wanna head over to the site and grab one today.